Most people believe saving money is the path to financial security. Earn more, spend less, save the difference. On the surface, this sounds logical, and to some extent, it works. Savings create stability. They protect you from emergencies. They give you short-term safety. But saving money alone will not make you wealthy, because saving is not designed to build wealth. It is designed to preserve it. And even that preservation is not perfect. If you keep your money in a bank account, it is not growing in any meaningful way. It is simply sitting there while the rest of the economy continues to move. The problem is not saving itself. The problem is believing that saving is enough. Money sitting in a bank slowly loses purchasing power over time. This happens because of inflation. But more importantly, because the financial system is constantly expanding. New money is created through lending. Wages rise slowly. Prices adjust unevenly. But the overall direction is clear. Over time, the same amount of money buys less. If your savings grow at 1 or 2% per year, but the real cost of living rises faster, you are effectively losing value. It does not feel like a loss. Your balance stays the same or even increases slightly. But what that money can actually buy is shrinking. This is why people feel like they are saving more, but getting nowhere. Because they are measuring money in numbers, not in purchasing power. The modern financial system rewards money that moves. Banks lend money. Businesses invest money. Markets allocate capital. Money that sits still does not participate in growth. When companies expand, their value increases. When assets are in demand, their prices rise. When capital flows into markets, returns are generated. This is why investors, business owners, and asset holders tend to build wealth faster. They are not just holding money. They are placing it into systems that generate returns. Saving protects you from risk, but it also protects you from growth. And over long periods of time, avoiding growth becomes a cost. Wealth is built through ownership. Owning businesses, owning assets, owning things that produce value over time. This does not mean taking reckless risks. It means understanding that money needs to be positioned, not just stored. Savings are still important. They provide stability. They reduce stress. They give you flexibility. But beyond a certain point, saving more does not change your financial trajectory. Allocation does. The difference between saving and investing is the difference between standing still and moving forward. If you want to build wealth, your money needs to work. Because in modern economies, money that does nothing slowly becomes worth less.